The humanitarian situation in Somalia is worsening following the failure of a fourth consecutive rainy season. The number of people affected by the drought has risen to 6.1 million. The country faces a heightened risk of localized famine in 6 communities if food prices continue to rise and humanitarian assistance is not sustained. Humanitarians have scaled up their activities, prioritizing the most vulnerable populations and focusing on famine prevention. Yet, almost halfway through the year, the 2022 Humanitarian Response Plan is just 15% funded against its total appeal for $1.45 billion US. We call for urgent additional contributions. On 26 April, a high-level donor roundtable in Geneva focused attention on humanitarian needs across the Horn of Africa, including Somalia. We are grateful to donors for their pledges and commitments. However, without immediate receipt of funding to expand humanitarian operations, we face the prospect of significant loss of life in the period ahead. And even as we now focus on saving lives and averting famine, there is also a need to increase resilience, development, and climate responses so that those affected by recurring crises can adapt and thrive in the future.